गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं। ध्यानम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमाधिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We'll do the last week shlokas. विश्वाधिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विधात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूपा क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षयवृद्धिविनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता. Okay, so we had seen that Amma is everything who is taking care of our body. Kshetra is our body. She is the form of our body. She is the one who is within the body and the one who is taking care of the body. So the knower, the known, the seen, everything is Amma only. And she is the one who has brought, she is the mother for even Vedas, all the knowledge. She is the enjoyer of this world, the Vishnu Maya, the illusory world that we are seeing is all Amma's play, and she is the one who is enjoying it. She is the highest Vishwadhika. She is the ultimate one, greater one, above all. So Vishnu, Brahma, everybody are below only. So everybody gets energy from her. She is the highest. So she is Vishwa Adhika. Okay. Now we'll go to new verses. Any questions in those verses of last week?
No, auntie. No, auntie.
Okay.
No, auntie.
We'll move to the new ones. Please repeat twice. Who is volunteering for me?
Can I do it, auntie?
Okay, Omkar. Let's do. Vijaya Vimala.
Vijaya Vimala. Vijaya Vimala.
Vandya.
Vandya. Vandya.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya. Vijaya Vimala Vandya.
Vandarujana.
Vandarujana. Vandarujana.
Vatsala.
Vatsala. Vatsala.
Vandarujana Vatsala.
Vandarujana Vatsala. Vandarujana Vatsala.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya. Vijaya Vimala Vandya.
Vandarujana Vatsala.
Vandarujana Vatsala. Vandarujana Vatsala.
Vagvadini.
Vagvadini. Vagvadini.
Vamakeshi.
Vamakeshi. Vamakeshi.
Vagvadini Vamakeshi.
वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी
वह्नि
वह्नि वह्नि
मण्डलवासिनी
मण्डलवासिनी मण्डलवासिनी
वह्नि मण्डलवासिनी
वह्नि मण्डलवासिनी वह्नि मण्डलवासिनी.
It's not Vahni.
Oh,
Always we should say as Vanhi. The spelling is written like that, but we have to pronounce it like Vanhi.
okay, auntie.
Vanhi Mandalavasini.
Vanhi Mandalavasini. Vanhi Mandalavasini.
We'll do next two verses also. Bhakti Mat
Bhaktimat. Bhaktimat.
Kalpalatika.
Kalpalatika. Kalpalakita.
Bhakti Mat Kalpalatika.
Bhaktimat. Kalpalakita. Bhaktimat. Kalpalakita.
Pashu Pasha
Pashu Pasha. Pashu Pasha.
Vimochini.
Vimochini. Vimochini.
Pashupasha Vimochini.
Pashupasha Vimochini. Pashupasha Vimochini.
Bhaktimat Kalpalatika.
Bhaktimat Kalpalatika. Bhaktimat Kalpalatika.
Pashupasha Vimochini.
Pashupasha Vimochini. Pashupasha Vimochini.
Samhrita.
Samhrita. Samhrita.
Asesha.
Asesha. Asesha.
Samhrita Sesha.
Samhrita Shesha. Samhrita Shesha.
You combine it. You don't have to say again a in between. Samhrita Sesha it becomes. Okay.
Samhrita Shesha. Samhrita Shesha.
Pashanda.
Pashanda. Pashanda.
Samhrita Sesha Pashanda.
Samhrita Shesha Pandashta. Samhrita Shesha Panchanda. Samhrita Shesha Pashanda.
Sadachara.
Sadachara. Sadachara.
Pravartika.
Pravartika. Pravartika.
Sadachara Pravartika.
Sadachara Pravartika. Sadachara Pravartika.
Very good. Okay. So what these verses are saying is, yeah, Lakshmi.
Sick. She said she's not able to sit. So today she will leave the class, Nidima.
Yeah, sure, Lakshmi.
She's sick and she cannot sit. She tried, but she couldn't.
Sure.
Thanks, Nidima.
Okay. So what these verses are saying is, Vagvadi, before that, Vijaya Vimala Vandya. Vandya means we do Vandanam, right? That is doing Namaskar. We all worship Amma. And how is Amma? Vimala. There is no Mala. She is pure, right? She is the purest. And she is victorious, Vijaya. How many Rakshasas and Asuras she has killed, right? All the Bhandasura. Do you remember the story? So many were killed, right? So Amma is Vijaya. She is the victorious always. Yes. And she is Vandaru Janavatsala. So whoever does Namaskaram, whoever prays Amma, Vandaru means the ones who pray. Vandaru Jana. So whoever prays, they are called as Vandaru Jana. Jana means people. So whoever is doing Vandanam of Amma, to them Amma is Vatsala. Like she is like takes care. She takes care. Like how a mom takes care of child, she is always there. So she is Vandaru Janavatsala. Like a calf to the cow. Vatsala means like that kind of close relationship. With whom Amma will have the relationship? Those who always are connected to Amma and who pray her, who always remember her. Amma is dear to them. Mandaru Janavatsala. Then Amma is Vagvadini. So the speech, the power of speech. So for everywhere we need, right, to speak, in class presentations, in interviews, everywhere we need this Vagvadini Shakti. So the speech, she is the energy of speech. Then she is Vamakeshi. Vama means beautiful one. Keshi means again the one who is having all the beautiful hair. Like Shiva is also referred as Vamadeva, right? Vamadeva, Jeshtaya. It comes in Rudram and all. So she is the energy of Vamadeva and she is the beautiful one. The left side of Ardhanarishwara is called Vama. Left is Vama and right is Dakshina. So she is the beautiful one. Amma is referred as Vama. Vamakeshi. Vanhi. Vanhi means fire. She is the fire and she is present. Vasini means she is Vasati. She resides there. Where? In the place of fire. She is the knowledge. Mandalam is the whole area. The field, we say. Like electromagnetic field, that kind. So she is the field of knowledge. Vanhi Mandala Vasini. Okay. So everything comes from her, right? Vedas we have seen. So she is that knowledge, fire of knowledge. And from her only, even speech, when we speak, it is through knowledge we speak. If there is no knowledge, the person cannot speak and no words will come. They will say, I don't know, right? So that Vagvadini Shakti comes from knowledge we have. That Vanhi Mandala Vasini, she resides in our wisdom and knowledge. And what is that knowledge? That knowledge is the most beautiful thing, right? Satchidananda, we have been seeing. Beauty is not physical beauty. It is the knowledge that is the right, true beauty. Ultimate beauty. Any questions in these two verses?
Clear, Auntie.
Okay. So, Vanhi Mandala Vasini, it's the knowledge and she is the form of speech in these verses. And she is the victorious one, the purest one. And she is most dearer to those who are connected to Amma, who are praying Amma all the while. Next, other two verses are saying, Bhakti Mat Kalpalatika. So whoever are devoted, whoever has devotion towards Amma, Bhakti Mat, to those, she is like Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpalatika means the vine of Kalpa Vriksha. Is Kalpalatika. Means everything she will give. Whatever those devotees desire, she will keep on fulfilling their wishes. Bhaktimat Kalpalatika Pashu Pasha Vimochini. So Amma is holding, right, Pasham readily. So whatever Pashu characteristics, Pashu means animal, animalistic characteristics that we have. Sometimes we behave evil, right? We get so much angry, we behave aggressively, we use bad words. All those Pashuness, the animalistic things that we have, Amma is going to destroy. Right? So she is holding the Pashu and she will remove the evilness from us. And she will purify us. She is the purest one, right? She is Vimala and she is going to remove all the malas we have. We have all the impurities. So because she is purest one, she is going to purify us when we are connected to her. So Bhakti Mat Kalpalatika Pashu Pasha Vimochini. Then, yes, please.
Why does Amma always train tiger?
Yeah, Amma is sitting on tiger and lions always because she is most powerful one. She is fierceful. That's why she can remove and kill all the evilness. She's so powerful. See how lion and tiger are like so strong in the forest. They are king, right? Lion is the king of the forest. So they can destroy or attack any lower organisms like deer or whatever, zebra, whatever comes. So they are very strong. Simha, the reverse is himsa. So she can kill and demolish all the evil, whoever are there. So however, what it means is, however deep bad things that we have accumulated from so many janmas, all the evilness she can destroy. Basically, we are purifying ourselves. Through the stories, through Amma's Leelas, we are purifying our own self. So, Amma sitting on all these fearful animals means that she is so powerful and she can destroy all the evil, anything bad in the world. Even it can be bad people who are doing and harming this society also. So, she will remove all the evilness.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, Nana. Sure. Welcome. Okay, next. What she is doing, Amma is doing Samhrita Sesha Pashanda. So many, the same thing that we just explained. Asesha means innumerable, so many bad things. And Pashanda. Pashanda means people who are not divine, like they don't believe about our Vedas, they don't want to be pure, they just want to feel that they are great and they will keep on doing what they want to do. They will not listen to any good things. So people who are like not pious, they are called impious people who don't want to follow good things. They want to be evil and harm others, destroy others, just for their selfishness. If they want something, they will just grab. It can be stealing, murdering, any evilness. They can go to any extreme that we are seeing nowadays, right? All the terrorists, attacks. So all the evilness means those people, Pashanda, Amma is going to destroy. Samhrita means Samyak Harta. She is going to finish them off. Asesha Pashanda. So many bad people, Amma is going to demolish and destroy. And then what Amma will do, destroying the evil, she will increase Sadachara, all the good, noble acharas, all the goodness, all the good actions, she will make that happen. Pravartika means they will happen. All the goodness will sustain and the evil will be gone. So Samhrita Asesha Pashanda Sadachara Pravartika. Okay. You have any questions?
No, auntie.
Clear?
Yes, auntie.
Clear, auntie.
Very good. Let us repeat together from 77. Vijaya Vimala Vandya Vandarujana Vatsala Vagvadini Vamakeshi Vanhi Mandala Vasini Bhakti Matkalpalatika Pashupasha Vimochini Samhrita Sesha Pashanda Sadachara Pravartika. Anybody would like to chant individually? Hello, kids.
Auntie, can I do?
Okay, Omkar, start.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya Vandarujana Vatsala Vagvadini Vamakeshi Vanhi Mandala Vasini Bhakti Matkalpalatika Pashu Pasha Vimochini Samhrita Shesha Pashanda Sadachara Pravartika.
Excellent. It is Pashu Pasha. Pashu is only single pa. Okay, good, very good. Nice. Yes, who is it?
Ishita, ma'am.
Yes, Ishita. Please go ahead.
Ishita Ishta.
Yes, Vishishta. Come on, start.
Vijaya Vimala Vandya Vandarujana Vatsala Vagvadini Vamakeshi Vanhi Mandala Vasini Bhakti Matkalpalakita Pashupasha Vimochini
Excellent.
संहृताशीषपाषण्ड सदाचार प्रवर्तिका.
Excellent. Very nice. Anybody else? One more we'll take. Yeah, sure.
विजयालावन्द्या वन्दारुजनवत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वान्हिमण्डलवासिनी भक्तिमत्कल्पलतिका पाशुपाशविमोचिनी संहाति शेषपाषण्डा सदार्च प्रवर्तिका.
Just Samhrita. Samhrita.
अमृता शेषपाषण्डा.
Very good.
Can I chant on it?
Yes, Sitara.
विजया विमला वन्द्या वन्दरुजनवत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वाहिनी मण्डलवासिनी भक्तिमत्कल्पलतिका पशुपाश विमोचिनी
Perfect.
संहृता शेष पाषण्डा सदाचारा प्रविकृता.
Very nice. Very nice. You correctly said Pashu Pasha. Nobody said Pashu. You only said today. Very nice.
Thank you.
Good. Okay. We'll close now. We'll say the final prayers. Okay, let us start. Annapurne Sadapurne Shankarah Pranavallabhe ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम्.